start by writing our very first program. It's a very short program that displays Hello World on the console window. Hello World is a tradition of sorts among all programmers. It's always the first program that anyone runs, so welcome to the club. In the editor window, type this line of text exactly. The word print, parentheses, is a Python instruction that tells the computer to display something on the screen, or in the console area. It should look something like this. Let's run or execute our code by clicking the Run button on the top middle of the screen. Our goal is to see the exact phrase written between single or double quotes inside the console area. Did it work? If not, there must be a bug in your code. So take another look and check to see if everything is written down correctly. Congratulations! You have officially written your first program. Check. Let's modify this tiny program a bit. Let's change the text inside the two single quote symbols. 1. Write apples inside single quotes. 2. Add a plus sign. And 3. Write are red inside single quotes again. When we run the program, we'll see apples are red printed on the console. The characters inside the quotations are called strings. Strings is just another word for a sequence of characters, like hello world or apples are red. Each letter, including the space, is a character. We'll explain strings in more detail as we move forward. Expert tip, Python is case sensitive. You must use the correct case size when typing code like print. Let's move forward. Python's really good at math. It has the ability to do calculations. We call these calculations operators. The basic operators include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and we use the same symbols as we do in math class. For example, to multiply two numbers, we use an asterisk symbol between the two numbers. Similarly, we use the slash symbol to divide the two numbers. Pause the video and write these programs on lines 3 to 17 in REPL and execute them. What are the results? As a bonus, execute this program. Print the sum of 4 and 2. Print 9 plus 7 minus. Print 10 divided by 0. What happened? Alright, we now can write tiny programs to do simple mathematical calculations and print the output to the console. Before we move on, let's learn how to add comments in our Python code. Comments are lines of code that are added to make the code easier to understand for others. However, they're skipped over by the computer and don't actually affect how the code runs. Comments in Python are added by placing a pound symbol, which is also known as a hash symbol, in front of the comment text. We start this program with a comment. The second line has a print statement and also contains a comment. And the last line of this program is another comment. All of these comments aren't executed, and then the output of 3 is printed. Great! This brings us to the end of our first unit. In the next unit, we'll start learning more about Python. However, before you move on to the next unit, set up your Replit console if you haven't done that already, and try out all the examples on it. You'll learn to code by coding.